So hey guys, this is Vishwit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a new thing that I came to know. So it's like a new control statement that got added to Python. So people from different programming languages may already heard about the term called as switch case. So if you are learning Python from scratch, there is nothing to worry about. We will see everything from the basics. So if you are coming from a different programming languages like Java, C, C++, you might have already encountered this, and that similar kind of a thing came to Python. So what the switch case actually does in different programming languages? So generally, if we have a control flow over here, there is a different way, I should say, there is a different style of writing a control flow using switch. But in Python it is match, so we'll be using match case to write it. So I have taken a very small example over here. So I have defined a variable called as user, and I have written a small control flow. So for example, if the role is user, then he can view videos. If the role is of teacher, he can create videos. If the role is of manager, they can manage videos. So if I execute this, see, I have given user, they can view videos. Okay. So how we can write this in match case in Python? And by the way, before moving on, I should say this, that this only works in Python 3.10. So if you are working in Python 3.6, 3.7, anything that is below Python 3.10, it won't work. So if you are in Jupyter Notebook, there is one way to check your version by importing the sys module. You can do import sys and just do sys dot version. And if you run it, see my version is 3.10.4. Okay, just check your Python version and make sure it's 3.10 and above. So now I'll delete this. So how we can write this in match case? Now if we do match, the first statement is match, then we have to pass the role, then we have to pass the case, and case, if the case is user, then print you can view videos. If the case is of a teacher, you can create videos. And if the case is of a manager, you can print manage videos. Okay. So if I execute this, first I need to define a role over here. Maybe I'll put the role as a user. So if I run this, you can see the user can view videos. If I put manager, if I run this, they can manage videos. So the same thing, this structure of statement and this structure of statement, they are doing the same thing. Okay, but see how clean this is. This looks good, this looks clean. So this is like one another way of writing it. You can use if, you can use a match case, your choice. This match case got added recently in Python 3.10. Now there is another scenario. For example, if the role is maybe maybe painter, but see we have not defined painter over here. So if I just execute this, maybe go and run, see there is nothing that is being printed. So how can we handle situations like this when the role is not yet defined? So we can come over here and we can give case colon. This is called as a default case. Okay, and we can print that not registered. It's a good practice to put default case. And if I run it now, you can see it's not registered. So for this people, they have some functionality, but for role as a painter, he or she doesn't have any functionality. So we are printing, they are not registered. So it's a good way of defining, like you should define the default case as possible. Like you should put something over there so that you know that your other cases are not working. And one more thing to show you, you can also do this. For example, if you have a user and if you have the teacher, and let's say your user and your teacher both can view videos. Okay, let's omit the create part. Let's say your users and the teachers, they both can view videos. So you can put something called as an or operation over here. Teacher now both can view videos, and maybe your manager is only managing the videos. Okay, so we can also write our match case in this way. So now if I define a role as maybe user, see, the user can view videos, or if it is a teacher, the teacher also can view videos. So anything you pass, user or teacher, they can view videos. So you have the option to put or operation over here. So this is one thing to that I wanted to add on in this video. There are multiple functionalities, like there are some more complex functionalities, but I think for most of the people who are learning Python, I think this should be sufficient. So I guess this is the end of the video. And if you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. And if you have any kind of an issue, please do ping me in the comment section below. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the upcoming videos.